Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram account. So, let's start the process. Open your Instagram app, and here is my previous account. But we are trying to create a new account, so you have to tap on the option, Create a New Account, and simply write your full name here. After writing your name, tap on the option Next. Write your password here. After writing your password, tap the option Next. Save your login info. If you want, then save it. But if you don't want to, tap on the option Not Now. But for me, I will tap on the option Save. From here, select your date of birth. After selecting your date of birth, tap on the option Next. So, Instagram suggests a username by itself, but you can write on your own if you have your username. And remember, always choose a unique name. So, after writing your username, tap on the option Next. Write your mobile phone number here for security purposes. You may have lost your mobile phone device or your account, so with the help of your mobile phone number, you can recover your account at any time. So write your mobile phone number here. After writing, tap on the option Next. And again, tap on the option I agree. Add a profile picture. If you want to add your profile picture, tap the option to add a photo. But if you want to skip, tap on the option Skip, as I am tapping on the option Skip. And here is the option. Facebook suggestion means if your friends are using Facebook and also Instagram, then tap on the option Continue. When you tap the option Continue, your Facebook friend will also be added to your Instagram account. But if you don't want to, then tap on the option Skip. And again, tap on the option Skip. From here, tap on the option Continue if you want to share your Instagram profile with friends. Tap on the option Share Profile. But if you don't want to, tap on the option Skip. So here are the popular Instagram accounts. If you want to follow someone, then tap on the option Follow. But if you don't want to, tap on this arrow icon at the top right. Turn on the notification, so tap on the option Turn On. It was a way by which you can create your Instagram account. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.